All right, so continuing, just to make the videos a little shorter than one big long one, this time we're going to tackle number 11 through 15. So in a lottery, 40 numbers are put in a bin and mixed up. 6 numbers are drawn at random to form the winning lottery numbers. If you match 6 numbers regardless of order, okay, so in other words, order does not matter, then you win. So how many sets of 6 numbers are possible? So order doesn't matter. This is a combination. So the first number is how many numbers are available. There are 40 in that bin, and 6 of them are being drawn out. So there are 3,838,380 different 6 winning number combinations that could potentially result. Number 2, you want to upgrade your phone. You're considering 4 models. Each model is available in 3 colors and 6 colors and 3 amounts of memory. How many options do you have? So this one, if you were attending the Zoom session, this is like one of the earlier questions about the t-shirts. Even though you think that the order may not matter, because like I can say the color first and the memory second, kind of think of it as more if you were going to have one of everything available on the shelf. If you want every model in every color in every amount of memory, how many phones would you have to have sitting out on the shelf basically to purchase is another way to do that. So this is one where order does indeed matter, and your choices are about the model of phone and the color of the phone and the amount of memory. So when it comes to the model, you have 4 different models that you need to set out, and there are 6 different colors for each one, and then 3 different memory amounts. And so multiplying those together, you'll get that there would be 72 basically distinct phones that look completely, that have something different from the one next to them. So 52 or 72 different options. All right, 13. As part of the test for my black belt in Taekwondo, I had to fight 2 black belts at the same time. If there were 6 black belts present on the day of my test, in how many ways could those I have fought been chosen? Now, if I need to fight 2 people at the same time, it doesn't matter who was chosen first and who was chosen second. Those are the 2 people, and I have to fight them no matter what, okay? I have to defend myself against them. So this is one where order does not matter. Okay, so how many black belts were present? There were 6 available. There were 2 of them that had to be picked in order for me to be able to fight them and achieve my black belt. So there were 15 different ways that those 2 people could have been chosen to be my sparring partners. All right, number 14, a company wants to send a representative to 3 different college job fairs to recruit interns. There are 7 people available to represent the company. How many ways can they be assigned a job fair to attend? So here, one of the key phrases is these are 3 different college job fairs. Okay, so there is a difference. You could end up, maybe in sunny California. You might end up in blazing hot Texas. You might end up in, the upper part of Maine during the winter. So there is a difference when you go to these college fairs. You're at 3 different locations, so you can tell the difference between the options. So in this case, again, order matters. Order does matter. ODM. So you got to think that how many blanks do I need? Okay. Well, if you have 7 blanks, notice if you have 7 blanks, like what are you going to put in each of them? Person 1, will you say, okay, they have 3 choices to go to, and then person 2 would have 2 choices, and then person 3 has 1 choice, and then all these people, they have no choice. And if you start multiplying by 0, you're going to get 0. So that's an indication that, sorry, I thought I grabbed the eraser. That's an indication that that is probably not the way we want to go through this situation here. So hold on, it's not letting me erase. Come on. There we go. All right, now I'm erasing. Okay, so what instead we want to do is we want to look at it as I have to send people to college number 1, to college number 2, and to college number 3. So for college 1, I have 7 different people available that I could pick to go to that college. Once I know who's going, that leaves me with 6 people who could possibly go to the next college, and then 5 people that could go to the remaining college. So 210 different ways I could assign them. And then last but not least for this video, you're dealt 5 cards from a deck. How many ways can you be dealt 5 face cards? So anytime we're dealing cards, order does not matter unless for some reason it says how many, you need to get a heart followed by a club or something, but generally speaking, it doesn't matter. So if you want to be dealt 5 face cards, so keep in mind that this first number here is about face cards. Okay, it's not about the deck of 52. It's about a subset of that. It's only about face cards. So how many face cards are available? Well, there's a jack, a queen, and a king of diamonds, hearts, clubs, and spades. So there's 12 different face cards. We want to be dealt 5 of them. Okay, and so 12 choose 5 is 792 different 5-card face card hands that you could be dealt.